Hi everyone. In the last video we talked about getting rid of the scheduling and archiving the GoGuardian classrooms that you used from last year. So for this year we want to create new ones. So I'm going to log in using my bookmark. You can use GoGuardian.com and log in from there. So I have my list of classrooms. Now I want to add a classroom this year, so I'll use the green button. I want to add a Google Classroom at the bottom. Now I've already done this for the classes I'm teaching, so I'm going to choose my Interact Club. So I selected my Interact Club. It lists all of my students. I want to go to Settings. So here are my students that I just imported. I'm going to go to my Settings. I want to add a subject. Alright, I'm just going to call it Other. I want to update that classroom. Now you need to have a subject in order to set up sessions. So up here on the left you've got Sessions, which means you can turn it on and start recording the information. You've got your students and your teachers, and then of course your settings. Under your settings you can set up a schedule for your sessions. And that would be here, and we'll talk about that in the next video.